Good morning, dear learners. How are you? I think all of you are fine. Today, our topic is English second term. Science students, your topics will be the subject hour is English second paper. We are going to discuss today. Our chapter is topics is narration. Our topic will be the narration learners. So it is one of the important part of English grammar. So narration, the word genesis from narrate to narration. What is the narrate? Narrate means explain. We have to explain. Narrate to narration. So there are learners two kinds of narration. One is a direct narration, another is an indirect. So there are learners two kinds of narration. So we have to change. We have to change direct to indirect. So there is some criteria, learners. Some sentence there. He says, I am going. So when the speaker start his statement, this is called, he says this one is reporting verb. According to the rules of narration, this is the reporting verb. Where start the sentence, this is called the reporting verb. And the statement, I am going, this one reported speech, or this is called the direct speech. You have to listen, learners, very carefully. You have to observe this one. He says when the sentences start, this one the reporting verb, or which one is the statement of the sentence? This was the reported speech. So which one start? This one reporting verb, or which is the statement? This is the reported speech or direct speech. This one. So there is, learners, some rules. If the reporting verb is present form, the reporting verb is the present form, there will be no change in the reported speech of the tense form. If the reporting verb is the present form, there will be no change of the reported speech. This one, first rules. So I am doing something, learners. First rules, according to first rules, I am doing something. He says, there is a change of narration. He says that he is well. I have done first one. So the reporting verb is present form. So that purpose, the statement, there will be no change of the tense form of the reported speech. So I have done, learners, you can understand this criteria. So reporting verb present form, so there will be no change of the tense form of the reported speech. First one is I have done for you. And second rules, if the reporting verb is past form, then the reported speech will be changed. I am doing second one. Second rules, according to second rules, he said, I am well. So, learners, you can see the reporting verb, there is a past form. So, if the reporting verb is a past form, there will be change of the reported speech, the form of tense. Now, he said that he was well. Rules means if the form is present form, present indefinite, then this will be the first indefinite. So I can, learners, you have understood the first two rules, and what kind of the change of the tense form I am giving, I am explaining this one later. reporting verb past form, then there will be change of the reported speech. If the form is the present indefinite, will be changed into past indefinite. Learners, the rules is very important for you. You have to learn these rules. It's most important. If you want to learn the narration form, so rules is very important for you. Rules I am discussing. Present indefinite form will be changed into past indefinite. You have to listen this one very carefully, learners. Present indefinite will be past indefinite. Present continuous will be past continuous. Present perfect will be past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. The form of the tense, if the reporting verb is the past form, then the reported speech of the direct narration will be changed to this criteria. Present indefinite, past indefinite. Present continuous, past continuous. Present perfect, past perfect. Present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Another rules also, past indefinite, past perfect. Past indefinite will be changed to important rules, past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. These are the very important rules. Past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. Past continuous, past perfect continuous. And past perfect, there is no change. If there is a past perfect form, in direct narration there will be no change. Past perfect continuous, there will be no change. As a learner, I have discussed the rules of the tense criteria, how it will be changed. Now I am discussing about another rules of the narration. Word basis some change and some rules of narration. Will be changed into would. Shall will be changed into should. May, might. Can, could. Yesterday, the previous day. Tomorrow, the next day or the following day. This, that. Come, go. Thus, so. Now, then. So, learners, these are the basic rules of the narration. Basic criteria of the narration. If you want to learn the narration, if you want to solve the problem of narration, so you have to achieve the first of all you have to learn the rules of narration. So I have discussed, learners, the rules of narration, and I am going to discuss elaborately now narration form. He said, number one, he said, I write a letter. Number one. Number two, he said, I am reading. Number three, he said, I have done my duty. Number four, he said, I wrote a letter. Learners, I am going to solve the main form of the narration. So, I first of all I have discussed the rules of narration. Now I am going to discuss about elaborately the problem of narration. So, first one, he said, I write a letter. So, learners, this one the reporting verb and this one the reported speech. So, the reporting verb is past form now. So, the correspondence of the reported speech will be changed. What kind of tense this one, learners? This is past indefinite. So, according to rules, this will be changed. Past indefinite, present indefinite. This one, present indefinite will be changed into past indefinite. We have to follow the rules. He said that. According to rules, there will be a that. Assertive sentence, you have to include this one that. When we change that, he wrote a letter. he said that he wrote a letter. So I think you have understood, learners. So if there is a present infinite, then it will be changed into past infinite. So first one I have done, and I think all of you have understood. Second one, present continuous. So if there is a present continuous, then it will change into past continuous. He said that he was reading. First one is present indefinite, will change into past indefinite. Second one, present continuous, will be changed into past continuous. So third one is present perfect, it will change into past perfect. So he said that he had done his duty. Fourth one is learners, the past indefinite. So rules according to past indefinite will be changed into past perfect. So he said that he had written a letter. So learners, I think you all have understood the basic rules of narration, and I discussed the first. There is a lot of later I shall discuss elaborately. Now I have discussed the narration. So I am going to finish my class, learners, today. So later I shall discuss this one elaborately for next class. The home task, learner, home task for you. Your home task. Rules of narration. So you will learn the home task, and you will send in my WhatsApp ID. So no more today. See you later. কতটুকু দেখো